like this, you look for pick and roll.
Plan, face your fears, live your dreams. What an eye-in-the-sky play para kay John Arrigo.
Alam mo, fit na fit ito si Arrigo dito sa triangle offense ni Coach Tim Con.
Wala yung bola sumasablay pero pagka nakapag-sentrum, nakita nyo naman yan. Nawala yung bantay! Lumisiate, pumasok kailangan complete.
Nabantayan siya ng gusto. Kita natin hand check foul dito kay Mark Bingris. Pero kita mo hanggang sa taas nagmi-miss lang sabog. Ito dalawa sa...
With an excellent move on the break, and Alaska continues to roll here. They continue to lead. Laman sa Red Bull, 68-56.
Card 24 cents a minute, pinakamababang rate to the US, Canada, and Hawaii. And the lead is 5 once again para sa Alaska. On the shot by John Arrigo.
Matchup that we've been anticipating. Malingit and peak, but take a look at John Arrigo, who's now in double figures partner. No?
That was a no-fear.
Good poke.